Your car would love a new sectional garage door from Door. Reliably supplied and fitted by Doorfit, increased security, easy to operate and such good insulation properties. Your garage will feel like another room in your house. Whether you leave it for your car or not? Well, that's up to you. Door and Doorfit, working together to transform your garage. Go online or visit our Doorfit showroom.